2017 Dodge Charger SCAT pack, 392, 6.4 liter V8. Still got the stock converters. Still got the factory X pipe. And then it's got we put some MAGNAPACKS on it. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. 14-inch body, 3-inch outlet. Then it's got the stock rear mufflers or resonators. Each person calls them differently. There they are. He wanted to quieten it down. He had some Dynamax bullets on it right there, but it was just too loud. So he brought it back and we changed them out to MAGNAPACKS to quieten it down, tame it a little bit. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. MAGNAPACKS, you hear them, they breathe when you give them gas, but when it's sitting still, it's nice and tamed and quiet. We gotta tame the beast, like they say. That idle sounds really well. It tames it a lot inside too. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Inside of this Dodge, I'm sorry. Let you guys hear it. Sounds beautiful.
He just wanted it a little bit tamer on startup when it's idling, when he warms it up in the morning. Sounds really good.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.